In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity in Google AdSense. Verifying your identity is a required step before AdSense can pay you, and doing it correctly prevents delays or rejections. We'll walk through the process from the payments area, check the information that commonly causes issues, and make sure your ID upload meets Google's standards. First, sign into your account and open the payments section from the left-hand menu. This is where all billing, verification, and payout settings live. Next, head to the verification area. Open payments info, look for the prompt that says verify your identity, and select verify now. If you don't see that option, verification hasn't been requested yet, so just come back when the prompt appears. Before you upload anything, review your payee name. It must be accurate and must match your government ID exactly. Even small differences like missing middle names or suffixes can trigger a rejection. Name mismatch is the #1 reason verification fails. If something is incorrect, update your payments profile first, then continue with verification. Now choose the ID you'll submit. Google typically accepts a passport, a driver's license, or a national ID. A valid unexpired passport often works most smoothly, but any accepted ID is fine as long as it's current and legible. Prepare your upload carefully. Take a clear photo or high-quality scan of your ID. Make sure your full name, date of birth, and the ID number are fully visible, and that the photo on the document is sharp. Use even lighting to avoid glare. Lay the ID on a flat surface, and keep the entire document in the frame. Don't crop out edges or security details, and don't use screenshots. When you're confident everything is readable, upload the file and submit. After submission, review usually completes within a few hours and can take up to 48 hours. In some cases, it may take up to 5 business days. You can check progress anytime under Payments, then Settings, then Verification. Once you're approved, the status will update to Verified. At that point, you can add or use your payment method, and you'll be eligible to receive earnings once you reach the standard $100 payment threshold. That's the full process. Sign in, find the verification prompt, ensure your payee name matches your ID exactly, choose an accepted unexpired document, submit a clear complete image, and watch for the approval. Follow these steps carefully to avoid delays. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your AdSense verification.